Hi guys, I'm Rosa. Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna do an Hi guys, I'm Rosa. Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna do an unboxing. So, we've got ang ingay ng dishwasher. Ano ba to? Hindi ako matatapos dito. Oh my God! Yung dishwasher namin yun. Tapos na daw siyang maghugas ng pinggan. Hi guys! I'm Rosa. Welcome to my channel. Today, we're gonna do an unboxing. So, we've got two packages here from Bellabox and I'm gonna show you what's inside. So before anything else, I just want to tell you more about Bellabox. Basically, it's a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs $20 a month. But I got my first box for the month of May for only 95 cents because they had a promotion when I signed up. And inside the box, you will get around 5 to 6 items. It could be skincare, makeup, hair care, or any beauty product. Upon sign up, you can customize your profile by telling them your skin type, hair type, or any product that you prefer. I'm not really sure how similar the box is from person to person, but that is where the surprise comes in. Now, actually, I already know what's inside the May Bella box kasi when I got it, I was so excited so inopen ko siya kagad. And if you're also subscribed to Bellabox, please leave a comment below and let me know if we got the same items. Okay, so let's begin. I love how the box is nicely packed, and inside, the first thing that you'll see is a card with the description of each item, how much it costs, and where to buy it. The first item is the Manicare Sensiscrub 3-in-1 Silicone Wet Body Brush. Next is the Epzen Relax Lotion. Next is this Pantene Pro V Blends Micellar Gentle Cleansing Shampoo. Next, we have a hand sanitizer from Dermalume, which has 75% alcohol. And last but not the least is the Bellapierre Cosmetics Brown Eyed Girl Palette. Ta-da! Oh, and there's also a discount card from DoorDash. Okay, so alam nyo na yung laman. And syempre, for the price of 95 cents, worth it siya. Now, the second box that I got is for the month of June. And ito, I paid the whole price na, which is $20. So, let's open it. Like ko talaga yung mga packages nila. Kasi, ooh, it's purple. It's a purple box. Okay, so. Ta-da! Okay, so this is the box. It's so cute. It's purple. Now, eto, hindi ko talaga alam yung laman nito kasi hindi rin ako nag-cheat. As in, hindi ko chinek yung ibang mga nag-unboxing din ng Bellabox nila. And hindi ko rin chinek yung website ng Bellabox. So, this is like a mystery box. Like a surprise box, diba? Parang surprise egg. So, ito naman, surprise box. Okay, so, let's open it together. So excited. Paano naman baliktad to? Well, baka ganyan siya. So. Okay. So of course, the card. may lipstick na kasama. Okay. So, Bellabox Self-Love Delivered. Okay, so, let's see. So, first is the lipstick. Wow, what is this? So, oh my gulay, wala akong salamin. Ivo-voice over ko na lang to. So, eto. This is the current Murrell Natural Lipstick in the shade of Violet Mousse. Open natin. And let's see. Ooh! Cute! Naka-lipstick ako ngayon, so mamaya ko na siya susutin. Okay? Ihuli natin to. Next is the... Oh my gulay, kailangan ko talaga ng salamin ko. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back and kitang-kita ang ring light sa salamin ko. Pero kailangan natin mabasa kung ano to. Okay, so next is Hair Growth Tonic for Women. Alin yan dito? Ooh, this one! Evolis Hair Growth Tonic for Women, and it's full size. Wow! Kailangan ko to kasi sobrang nipis ng buhok ko. Yay! And actually nakasulat din sa card kung magkano siya. So this is $59. So sulit na kasi $20 lang binayad ko dito. And kailangan ko talaga yan. Next is, oh, it's a sunscreen. Actually, ginagamit to ni Gab. Okay, papagamit ko sa kanya ulit to. Kasi iba yung sunscreen na ginagamit ko eh. And then, next is the Plunkett's Vita E Natural Vitamin E Cream. Saan to ginagamit? Oh, okay. Suitable for face, hands, and body. Gamitin natin to. Okay, and then next is Bio Oil Skincare Oil. So, ito naman. Ooh! Ayos to ah! Bio Oil Skincare Oil is specifically formulated to help improve the appearance of scars and stretch marks. Saktong-sakto sa akin to. My goodness. Oh, okay. So, yun yung laman ng box natin. And, again, another diner dash. Mukhang mapapa-order kami ng pagkain dito. And, what's this? Oh, okay. So, meron siyang monthly stationery subscription box. Mahilig ako sa station. Anyways, meron silang bago. May bago silang subscription box. Okay, so, sobrang natuwa ako sa products nitong June. Yung May, hindi masyado kasi parang pinapapaligo niya lang ako. Pantene naman talaga yung shampoo na ginagamit ko. And nag-i-scrub naman ako. May scrub naman ako talagang sariling ginagamit. Pero etong nakakatuwa tong June. And dahil dyan, itry na natin ang lipstick, okay? So, tatanggalin ko muna tong lipstick na to. And then, we're gonna try this one, okay? I'll be right back! Yung dishwasher namin yun. Tapos na daw siyang maghugas ng pinggan. Anyway. Ano ba tong lipstick kong una? Okay, so wala na. Lagyan natin ng foundation. Pakita natin kung ano talaga yung tunay niyang kulay. Okay, so subukan na natin. So, mayroon pa siyang flower. Kita niyo ba? May flower siya. Oh, and may letter K-M. Okay, so bibinyagan na natin. Let's try it. Bagay siya sa akin. Bagay ba? And mamaw siya. Okay. So, that's all for today. And natuwa ako sobra. Ay, hindi ko pala napakita yung shades ng eyeshadow natin. So, I'm gonna open it. Tada! The first one is like that. Second one like that. Third one like that. And the fourth one like that. Overall, I really love what I got from Bellabox. And I think I'm gonna continue for another month. If you like this kind of videos, let me know. And if you have other subscription boxes that you know or that you have tried, let me know. Maybe mag-try tayo ng iba. So, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye!